Morning, guys. I've literally just opened my eyes. Well, about 5 minutes ago. I'm gonna sit and have a cup of tea. It's 6 o'clock in the morning. My back is really, really badly. I'm on, they're called buprenorphine patches for pain. I'm on a really, really high dosage of. With what I do, one day or 2 days ago has this 3 days ago, 4 days ago, even if it was last week, at some point I have this knock-on effect, and I am in absolute agony. It's really hard to explain. If you've got it, you'll understand it. And if you've got backache in your lower back or anywhere where your back just aches, imagine that literally head to toe. It hurts. It really does. It really hurts. People just think that you exaggerate, there's nothing wrong. They also think that it's all in your head. No, mate, this isn't in my head. The only reason I'm up at this time is what normally happens is when it gets to when I've not long had my B12 shot, I'm up. But I'm up at at 5, 6 o'clock in the morning. It's looking like I'm going to have to get my TENS machine out so that I can have some movement in my back and my neck, because my daughter's not at home. I would just love someone to sound stupid, put some deep heat on for me, because I love deep heat. If anybody has used deep heat, they know that if you localize it, it's like, yeah, you can feel the heat. But mine, every time I use it, and I mean every time I use it, my daughter puts it on my back, my entire back, and from here downwards to the bottom of my, seriously, that entire thing. And it all hurts, it really does. So I'm going to have my nice cup of tea. I'm going to put something else on telly than adverts. I'll come to you guys later on. So guys, it is now 8 o'clock and I'm just watching that Taylor 15 Days of Foundations. Absolutely amazing girl. Love her. She's so honest. With her, she does a review and then she is so, like, on board. I can't believe that she hasn't got as many subscribers as she actually has. I think she needs a lot more. Yeah, she's one of the YouTubers I love. And again, I generally like them ones compared to other ones that I've watched. Ta-da! Get there in the end. Yeah, I have to use a jug of water to fill the kettle because I can't lift my own kettle up, even though it's a poor one. I love Shannon, so I watch her. I watch Jessica Braun, the video on, is it tea time? Time for tea? She does amazing food, amazing food. I personally think that she's, I think, from Scotland because she does haggis. And I know that's jumping to her assumptions, but with the voice that she talks with, obviously, what a stupid thing to say. The way she talks, that's what comes across to me anyway. She does some gorgeous recipes, really does. I'll have a look when I go back on my laptop to see what her name is. I also subscribe to Sophie Does Nails. She's a UK YouTuber. Oh, I love Beauty News as well. Seriously, Beauty News is one of my favourites, and that is straight down to earth. She's called What's for Tea, and she does some amazing stuff on her channel. Gabrielle, oh, she is so down to earth. Camera's gonna die in 10. So all the animals are in. I'm going to show you. So we got little Mara, who's licking the bed actually. Tamara. Mia's licking herself. And Tink is licking herself. Are you gorgeous? Hey. Hey. Was it you that brought the mouse in? Going off and I'm going to edit some videos, so I'll see you soon. This is why YouTubers spend all day editing for 4 or 5 hours. Yeah, I've just cut a video down from 26 minutes to 4. I've cut a lot out. I've left the funny parts in, obviously, because that's what I'm like. And some of the lighting quality is horrendous, guys, it really is. And you don't realise until you're actually filming how bad it is. I'm sorry for the first few minutes of that video that it is this dark. Because it was light in my bedroom. It's like in your bedroom, you're just gonna presume you can see it. Which is what happened with the palette thing. It was bright in my bedroom, it was really bright in my bedroom, but then when I came to edit it, it was not even, you know, it was really hard to see. And I did say, but obviously you still get comments. Don't ask me why I always say hello to the animals. Ah, I know everything. So that when it comes to doing my brushes later on, I can actually use the space. Little tip, once you've wiped that surface, the stuff on your cloth is going to go onto the next surface. And because I used to, before I came really poorly, I used to be a cleaner, and we learnt all about bacteria and passing on germs. You swap your cloths out so that you're not cross-contaminating everything. Yeah, so I've just cleaned the kitchen, my brushes, and because I've got a lot, I want to put them in, do them in the kitchen sink. I'll be doing them in batches, and then I'll just probably take my big camera in, record it, and then fast forward through it, most of it. I'm now just having a cup of joe. A cup of joe that you saw me made. So guys, I've got all of my brushes there, and then the products that I use. I start with this Dr. Bronner's Magic Soap, and then I use the baby shampoo, and I also use the Beauty Blender soap as well, because some things wash other things better. So that is my pile of dirty brushes. I'll be doing it in stages. I will show you what I do, hopefully. So yeah, you can see the sink. I've got 2 pots in the sink. Basically, I'm going to put some of these in each of them and fill it up with hot water. But I don't do it deep. because otherwise you'll end up saturating your bowels of your brushes, and that's what you don't want. But when they're all stacked in there, so I'll just grab at them, and brushes can go in the big one. Because this is how I stack them. Put some more water in because that's disappeared. Thicker ones in there. Must admit I don't like the smell of this. This is why I will go in with the baby shampoo afterwards. So by this soaking, I'll just wash these beauty blenders. Still got more brushes, so they can just go over there. And this is where I use the beauty blender soap. I have got another one in a tin. Do-do. Try and get as much of that foundation at the base, not that it always works, but two done. I don't know why, but the green ones seem to hold it in more at the bottom. And this is what I use. This is actually a dog brush, and it's amazing, really good. So, and now we're going to go in with a little bit of my Y6 brush and get in there and just clean. I bang it on the edge and then I sort of pull it so that all the hairs stay together. So on a dry towel, I just place them to start off with. You'll see what, I'll show you what I do afterwards. So I'm going to take these out. It's been soaking long enough. Get these ones, I know the water's dirty, but it's got to be done, and it needs some more water in. And the same process. So I'm taking these out of here because they've been sat long enough now in that thingy. And soon come back to the small ones. So guys, I've got one of these brush stands. I've actually got two of them. So this is what my brushes into, she says, get in when they're done. So obviously just take an old tea towel and just dry it slightly. It goes in the knoll, so like that. And with these ones, because that was already washed and ready, these ones I am just going to put my glove back on, and then I rinse them off, dry them, plug them. So a bit like this, because then you know that you've got all your product out. A bit of squeeze down the barrel. Tap. As you can see, there's nothing coming off. Squeeze. Try not to get the brushes too close together. See, they still had shampoo on, and smell nice. Should do the same thing. Let's just get it in the right hole. So you've seen how I do it. I'll be back in a bit. So guys, I've just got up, and basically I am going to sort my video out first. Yeah, so the time's nearly 9 o'clock. I am just going to finish making my cup of tea while that sets itself up for. See, this light's absolutely brilliant. It's too bright, but it's better than the rest of them. So I'm going to sit you up there. So guys, these are all my brushes, all nice and clean, all ready. My beauty blenders. Well, actually they go in this drawer. And then, so these are the products that I change and swap around, basically. And the same in here. This is where I change up my highlighters, my blushers, obviously. So, and then obviously in here I've got bronzers. I've got a couple of face powders, palettes as well. These are my everyday, because they're like cheek and blush. These are all like triples, because I've had to put on them elf blush because I've got an elf contour. I've just switched my Sad's light box on. So yeah, so what I do is basically tonight I'll take off my nail varnish, push cuticle backs and all that sort of stuff, and then paint them with the nail growth and leave it, and then tomorrow I'll paint it with the blue. So yeah, I'm going to take this off, finish watching The Walking Dead, because I've missed the last couple of last couple of, whatever you want to call them, episodes. Yeah, and I will probably see you in my next vlog, which I don't know when it's going to be, because I don't know when I'm going to be up for a full day. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.